How do I use Quiver Photos? Well, my name is Chris Esplin and I'm developing Quiver Photos, and I'll be your tour guide for this quick tutorial. First, log in with your primary Google account. Then navigate to the web app with either the Get Started button or the web app button at the top right of the screen. Add a Google Photos library. You can add as many libraries as you like. You may need to click through some warnings to grant Google Photos access to your library. Once you've granted access, you'll see a preview of the Google Photos library that you added. You can change the library or click Save in the bottom right corner. We'll click Save and select our library. Our library is a small test library, so we can stick to the free tier. If you have more than 1,000 photos, you may need to subscribe to a paid plan. We'll click the Play button to import records from our library. This process can take over an hour for large libraries. The import process is handled by our servers. You do not need to leave the web app open while the library imports. You'll need to download the desktop app to download records to your hard drive. Click the Desktop app button and download the zip file that matches your computer. Most folks have x64 computers, so if you're unsure, try x64 first. Download and extract the zip file, and double-click to launch the desktop app or daemon. You'll notice that the web app can now communicate with the desktop app. Click the Ping button to confirm. You should see a Pong response from the desktop app. Now that the desktop app is connected, we can choose a download folder. You'll need to create your folder on your computer. Navigate to your destination folder and select it in the web app. Now click the Play button to start downloading. The desktop app will index your folder, searching for any recognized downloads. You can stop and restart the download process as much as you like. The desktop app is smart and won't download files twice. Notice that the desktop app needs to import records from the web app. You'll need to leave the web app and the desktop app open at the same time until that import is complete. Once the desktop app has all of your Google Photos library records, you can safely close the web app and let the desktop app run. You can restart the desktop app later and it will continue to download. Be patient with large libraries, and please email me at chris@chrisesplin.com with any questions.